The dog was diagnosed with a cat hair allergy, but the cat didn't believe it. After all, they'd been born together. How could the dog suddenly develop an allergy? The cat tested various things and discovered that the dog only sneezed when in contact with cat hair. To treat the allergy, the cat said it would cooperate fully, but the first treatment plan was hard to accept. With the help of the blue mouse, the plan was completed, but the dog was still allergic. The second plan involved walking in the breeze on the street. They strolled around for half the day, and the cat was utterly exhausted, but the dog kept sneezing. The blue mouse suggested shaving the cat's fur, but the cat refused. It ran desperately, but in the end, its fur was shaved off. Still, the dog continued to have allergies, and the symptoms grew worse. The blue mouse brought a pile of bricks and decided to build a wall around the cat so that the dog could be cured. The cat and dog tearfully said goodbye, not knowing when they would meet again. But even after the wall was finished, the dog kept sneezing. That's when the cat realized the dog wasn't allergic to cat hair at all, but to the blue mouse's fur. So together, they shaved the blue mouse's fur.